You might think that we are nurturing our garden, but of course, it's our garden that is really nurturing us. Hello viewers, a very good evening to one and all. I am Asha Thomas. Today I am here to say few words on garden. Garden of our house is the most beautiful and open place for everyone to relax, and it helps in releasing stress. Garden has plants which naturally clean the air and ground. Garden helps to increase one's love and compassion and nurturing and gardening various kinds of plants. Garden helps us in preserving the environment and nature. Gardens are of different types. We can see flowering plants, non-flowering plants, and fruits, vegetables, and medicinal plants. Let us watch some of the flowering plants, and rest of the flowers. Come, let's watch it. Yes, look here. You can see here these beautiful flowers. See how many kinds of flowers we have here. This is dahlia. You can see here also. This is our beautiful garden. You all can see we feel relaxed when we are in our garden. Flowers are the magic that God has created to make this planet look beautiful. With the vibrant colors and lots of different shapes, there are thousands of varieties of flowers in this world. So come, let's have a look. The most popular flower in the world associated with love, that is rose. It is the reminder of purity, clarity, transparency, passion, sacrifice, purity, holiness, wisdom, joy and gratitude. It is the beauty of flowers that people use them as a token of love. Just like many other things, human eyes gets attracted towards flowers. Marigold symbolizes positive emotions and energy and is associated with warmth of sun, happiness, joy and good luck. Marigold is also used for making ointments. Look how beautiful the flower is. Vegetable garden helps us to get more fresh fruits and vegetables, which will keep us healthy. Let us watch few vegetables. Look here, how fresh it is. Brinjal. This is cluster beans. Look here how fresh it is. Look here, fresh tomatoes. Look here, this is the fresh onion. Here we can see the cabbage. Look here how fresh it is. Look, we can see here chiku. Medicinal garden is a garden planted with the goal of general health maintenance. For example, we can see here curry leaf. Then we have mint, aloe vera, ginger, tulsi, neem, turmeric, which help to cure several common ailments. This is also a medicinal plant, tulsi. You can see medicinal plant. This is neem. We can see here another medicinal plant, aloe vera.
So today we are going to present a lovely presentation by our school kids.
My name is Avanti Singh. I study in KG1A. Today we are here to talk about the lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Lotus grow in lake and flash water. Lotus is known as water lily. Lotus is an aquatic plant. Lotus has a thick stem. Lotus flower open in morning and close in night. Lotus has pink and white petals. Lotus is a beautiful flower. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello everyone. My name is Gargi Verma. I study in KG1A. And my school name is Amdam Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to tell you about a vespa flower. These flowers usually have 5 petals. This flower comes in many colors like red, white, and pink, yellow and purple. These flowers bring beauty to the garden. These flowers taste of hibiscus, leaves and flowers can be used as homemade shampoo. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, friends. My name is Vedanshi Thakur. I study KG1B. गर्मी के मौसम में खिलता हूँ। मैं पूजा करने और सजावट के काम में आता हूँ। मैं बड़े मधुमक्खियों को अपने पास बुलाता हूँ। थैंक यू। मेरा नाम अलाया नोएल है। मैं आज सबको बताऊंगी मोंगरे के फूल के बारे में। मोंगरे का फूल बहुत ही सुंदर खुशबूदार होता है। मोंगरे के फूल से तेल और परफ्यूम बनाया जाता है। मोंगरे का फूल बहुत सालों तक रहता है। मोंगरे के फूल से श्रृंगार भी किया जाता है। मोंगरे के फूल को जैस्मिन भी बोला जाता है। मोंगरे के फूल को जैस्मिन टी भी बनाया जाता है। मोंगरे का फूल गर्मियों में मिलता है। आयरा एंड स्टडी के जीवन एंड फूलों का हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्व है। पूजा में फूल समिति करते हैं। शादी पार्टी में फूलों की जरूरत होती है। फूलों की खुशबू से हमें शांति मिलती है। आज मैं 70 फ्लावर्स के बारे में बोलूंगी। This is 75. ये 70 फूल है। ये कई रंगों के होते हैं। ये येलो, व्हाइट, पिंक, रेड। 70 फ्लावर्स ठंड के खिलने में खिलते हैं। थैंक यू। Hello, my dear friends and respected teachers. My name is Jaskira Singh. I study in KNC. Today I tell you about Rajnigandha flower. It is called tuberose in English. Rajnigandha flowers are mostly found in white color. Its flowers are attractive with sweet fragrance. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. I am Nita Misra. I study in KG1B. आज मैं इतना फ्लावर बनने जा रही हूँ।
Start.
I am sunflower. My yellow petals are very beautiful.
Start.
A fast growing plant. I always wear towards them. My seeds are edible. My colors are very beautiful.
I like
My colors.
इधर बोल
I like my colors. मेरे उसके बच्चों सभी जनों को करो प्रणाम, लेके आपकी बात सभी का शुरू करो तुम अपना काम. Thank you. My name is Risit Manik, KG 1D, NGM School. आज आपको मैं दहलिया का पोएम सुनाने वाला हूँ. मेरी है कई पंखुड़ियाँ और चढ़े दूर तक जाए, मैं सर्दी से लड़ता हूँ, डट के खड़ा रहता हूँ, धूप में खिलता हूँ, दोस्तों संग चुनता हूँ, मैं खूबसूरत दहलिया इतना प्यारा हूँ. मेरी है कई पंखुड़ियाँ और चढ़े दूर तक जाए, मैं सर्दी से लड़ता हूँ, डट के खड़ा रहता हूँ, धूप में खिलता हूँ, दोस्तों संग चुनता हूँ, मैं खूबसूरत दहलिया दिखता प्यारा हूँ, दिखता प्यारा हूँ, दिखता प्यारा हूँ. Thank you. My name is Sukyavasi, class KG1, Rose Ranks.
Rose, rose, pick a rose smells so sweet. Rose, rose, pick a rose smells so sweet. Roses are red, pink and white, they are so nice and bright. Red, pink and white, they are so nice and bright. Pick a rose smells so sweet. Roses are red, pink and white, they are so nice and bright. So nice and bright.
Thank you, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Jeevavyansh, KG1 E section. I have a beautiful garden in my house. It has many beautiful flowers like rose, chrysanthemum, and marigold. Nilaya and mother water the plant. Beautiful flowers in garden. You as happiness. गुलाब का फूल बनूंगा, मधुर मधुर मुस्कुराऊंगा, मेरे पास जो तितली है उसको मैं अपना दोस्त बनाऊंगा. थैंक यू एवरीवन. बाय बाय. केजीवन है ये तुलसी का पौधा, इससे मेंदली से पार मिलते हैं, पूजा की जाती है, ये हर घरों में पाया जाता है, इससे बहुत सारी बीमारी गायब हो जाती है, दूर हो जाती है. थैंक यू. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज अनुष्का. आई स्टडी इन केजी1. चलो आज मैं आपको एलोवेरा के बारे में बताऊंगी. दिस इज एलोवेरा प्लांट. एलोवेरा प्लांट इज फ्लावरिंग प्लांट. एलोवेरा बेनिफिट्स फॉर आवर स्किन, हेयर एंड फेस. और इसे दवाइयाँ बनाने के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. एलोवेरा में विटामिन बैगनी कलर का होता है।
ठीक।
ये पारस है, ये हरा है, ये कैरट है, ऑरेंज कलर का होता है। टमाटो है, टमाटो ये लाल कलर का देता है। क्या? ये भुट्टा है, ये येलो है। क्या टमाटो ये ग्रीन कलर का होता है।
Good evening to everyone. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. The garden consists of both natural and man-made materials. Garden can be beneficial in many ways, many known and unknown ways. It plays important role in maintaining good health and pleasant environment. Gardening is such an activity which can be considered as a discipline and as a habit. Garden contains different types of plants. You have heard from children that what are uses of flowers, vegetables and herbs. I am adding few lines about garden. They have no mouth, but it seems to speak. They have no eyes, but it seems to see. I thank our teachers and little kids who performed so well. Watch every Friday this video. So like, share and subscribe.